To pay with Klarna on Dhgate, first verify that Klarna is available as a payment option, which it currently is. However, the process can be somewhat complicated. Begin by visiting the Dhgate website, where you can browse China wholesale products and online shopping options from various suppliers. If you don't have an account, click the register button to create one, or sign in with your existing email and password. Once logged in, you'll have access to your recently viewed items, favorites, and shopping cart. To use Klarna as your payment method, ensure you have a Klarna debit card, as this is a necessary requirement. Select a product, add it to your cart, and proceed to checkout. At the payment options page, choose to pay with a card and fill out your Klarna debit card information to complete the transaction.